Hello guys, Akram from City Roast here. Today I'm going to show you how I make a delicious iced latte. Let's get started right away. So for this purpose we are going to use ice, milk. The syrup is optional, but I really like the syrup in my iced coffee. For me, iced latte is like more summer drink, refreshing summer drink than a coffee, you know. For this video I'm going to use a hazelnut syrup, and of course we are going to end with an espresso shot. So let's do this, guys. I'm using 4 ice cubes. If they want to get out, come on, it's stuck. No, it's not. A little bit of oh, sorry, it's vanilla. I want hazelnut today. Now we got the hazelnut. A little bit of syrup. It's actually really easy to make, and it tastes delicious and it looks fantastic. Looks really beautiful. You will see the end result. This is a glass about 300 milliliters. So I'm going to fill up the glass almost all the way with milk, like so. And now it's time to pull a double shot of espresso. The coffee I'm using today is urban espresso, and my recipe for the coffee is 19 grams of coffee and 38 grams of espresso. So let's pull a shot. Perfect. Level it out, tamp, flush the group, and let's make a beautiful double shot of espresso. Really easy to make, and a really popular drink in summertime. Now I'm based in Copenhagen, and spring just started, so this is one of the most popular drinks in the moment. And there I have my 38 gram of the beautiful espresso. And look at this, guys. This is so amazing. Isn't it beautiful? Let's taste it. That's how you make an iced latte. Very easy, good looking, and the taste is amazing, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Bye.